Welcome, everyone. We are live. Everything looks good on this end. Welcome back to the Let's Build $1 Million Business stream. I need to have something that rolls off the tongue. Yes, welcome back. So in this stream, what we're trying to do is we're trying to build a business that's going to make us $1 million of revenue every single year. So that's the lofty goal. How long is it going to take? I don't know. This is episode 57. So we're plugging away. Obviously did not expect to get to $1 million by 57 days. Maybe by, I don't know, 570 days, we'll get there. Actually, that's not even a year, right? So, I mean, I would imagine it could take, 3 to 5 years. Anyways, we'll see. We'll see how things go. There's no rush. We're just trying to go day by day and provide a little bit more value out there into the world every single day. And then before you know it, we'll get there. We'll get there. So a little bit of, I want to just do a little update to the story I told yesterday, which was about my points at Marriott just expiring. It was like 50,000 points. And they expired like a month and a half ago. And I was just getting ready to start traveling again. And I was going to book some hotels and the points were expired. And then I called them. Says, hey, these points are expired. What's going on? And then they're like, oh, there's nothing we can do. They're just expired. They're done. Read the fine print, sucker. So I talked to the person and then I talked to their supervisor or what have you. And I said, is it worth losing a customer, like a loyal lifetime customer for 50,000 points? It's your choice, it's, you totally well within your right to do that. Absolutely. Go right ahead. That's your policy. Then that's your policy. It's also my policy to not deal with companies that, just remove my points like that after, or just have points expire. Why would your points even expire in the first place? If your customer earns a point, that's it. It's like Canadian Tire money here in Canada. You have your Canadian Tire money back in the day, the paper stuff. And then that's it. It doesn't expire. It's just good for whenever you want until the company, goes bankrupt. Anyway, so that's my philosophy. Don't give companies money that treat me not so much like a customer, but more like just a number. So anyways, so I was getting ready to cancel my account. And then I just get an email from them, like 4 hours later or something like that, saying, oh, let me get the exact email, get the exact wording from these guys. I never asked for an email or anything, so I don't know where it came from. What did they say? This was yesterday, which was April 10th, right? It would have been... Oh, where is it? Is it just in... Oh... Where did I go? Did I delete it? Let me see if it's in the garbage and the trash. No, I didn't delete it. Where did it go? Hang on a second. Well, it's got to be somewhere. This is weird. Oh, there it is. So points reinstated. Thank you for contacting Marriott Bonvoy regarding your expired balance. We appreciate you as a member, Marriott Bonvoy member. Therefore, as a goodwill gesture, I have returned your balance as a one-time exception. Please let me know if there's anything I can assist you. So it's a goodwill gesture as a one-time exception. So what do I think about this? I think it's enough for me because that's all I wanted in the first place. It's just restore the balance and then, everything's good. But to have to go through this whole rigmarole process, like for me, that has really damaged the brand in my mind. So they're going to have to work pretty hard to keep me motivated from booking for them. So actually yesterday I went and booked, I think I didn't book too many. I think I just booked 4 nights. I used the Hilton and somewhere else. I think like Expedia or something like that. So aboard the Hilton train. So, I missed out on booking through the Marriott through all of those ones. So am I going to use them in the future? Probably, especially if there's places, I know there's places that I need to go that they're one of the only hotel chains that are there. So it won't preclude me from using them anymore, but I mean, they certainly damaged themselves, in my eyes anyways, for quite a bit. So, but it was nice of them to actually come back and give the points, which is all what I wanted in the first place. Why make it such a big deal? In fact, why just have your points expire in the first place? But anyways, so that's what that is. And yeah, we'll just leave it at that. So today, what are we going to do today? Today, we're going to go in and work on my personal brand website. So I don't know exactly what to do with this. So I guess I'm just gonna have to just do this live here, I guess, because it's something that I just need to figure out. So just getting some music. Okay. So one thing's for sure in this one, I haven't designed anything at all. It's just super, super minimal. And I don't know, I think I might even just leave it like this for now. Because that's really my style. And the way that I want to do things is I like to do things very, very minimal, but clean and efficient, I guess. And then maybe later on I can figure out how to make it really, really spicy. Not spicy in the sense of how people talk now on YouTube about like spicy, like adult content, nothing like that. I just meant a little bit more, flavor, a little more aesthetics, I guess you could say. Okay. And the question is as well too is what is it that I'm going to be doing and documenting? I'm not sure. I think what is I gotta fix this thing. This mic. I'm probably gonna be quite quiet today as I'm just thinking things through. I just want to go over the pages here. Could automate this whole part too. thinking it might be nice to have, so right here, I'm thinking, these are all the projects that I'm currently working on, but it could be projects that I've completed. As an example, say one of my goals was to learn Spanish, and I spent six months and I'm at the level that I want to get at, and it's like, okay, well, I consider this project, successful or completed or whatever. Maybe just having a little tag of what its status is. That might be interesting. If there was like a status. Yeah, don't get too complicated. We'll just do this nice and easy at the start. Nothing complicated. All right. Nothing in there. Okay, that makes sense. What's this link to? Projects. This is principles. This is, of course, membership. Do I want to have a newsletter? And if I do, what's the purpose of having one? Besides marketing. What value is somebody going to get from joining my newsletter? And what kind of things would I want to talk about? Okay, I like this. Something super simple. I'm just trying to think now how I should design this newsletter. I think I'm really digging the really minimal vibe. I don't know if I'm going to stick with this font or not, but I like just keeping this super, super simple. Like just focus on the content itself. So how can we do this? Should you just do all labels? Ooh, I love variable fonts. It's the coolest thing. Okay. Oops, labels. That's an input field. Input field. Oops. Okay. Got the spelling right. Okay, that's good. Just thinking about the border. Maybe something like that. Height. So the text. The field itself. Okay, my name. Okay, cool. Nothing is working, of course. I think what we'll do is we'll have the color to actually be black. Yeah. Okay. Subscribe form. Let's give it a max width, I think. That's too much. And on a phone, it should still be 100%. Yep. Okay, I like it. Except here, let's work in EM units. Maybe instead of a paragraph, there should be a heading. Where did that go? That's weird. H2. Maybe I should put this in the subscribe form itself. And then, I mean, actually, I don't even know why I'd put that at the bottom. A little space on top. Okay, what do I have here for navigation? What do we have here? I might need to hide this actually. Just don't want to see. Send out, give out emails here. Right, okay. So I have an email list in MailChimp. Right, I just need to connect them. How do I do that again? Webflow, connect to MailChimp. I need the embed form code. Okay. Settings. Where is it? Oh man, MailChimp has really changed their whole way of going about navigating their navigating the accounts. Okay. Subscriber preferences? That doesn't make any sense. Integrations. Oh my goodness. Sign up forms. Here we go. Okay. Yeah, I need to embed the form. Embed forms. Settings. I guess maybe I can show this here. Do I continue? Okay, here we go. Copy this code. Actually, I only need, what do I need? I think I need this action right here. Oh, I think that's it. Because if I, yeah, form action, yeah. I think that's what it is. Let me listen to the video. I'm like reading.
A form to MailChimp lets you collect URL. Our goal here is to grab from MailChimp this custom code snippet right here.
Why is it Webflow? That's interesting. Pixel. Why does it say Pixel? Maybe that's just because that's the name of the the organization in MailChimp. So that makes sense. Okay. So that's the form action. And
this all happens in the audience for looking matter, but it's right here. The entire and there are before this can be tedious, especially a whole snippet into a text clipboard. And part 2, we're going to go back to Webflow. This panel has all the specific information we need. All we have to do is paste that action URL
and the post.
Copy to our clipboard, and then set the method to post.
Okay, so let's go to our form. This is our email form. Action is, that's the action, and then it's post. So we have to line up our fields as well too. So like the IDs need to match.
Now, one important note, the fields might not link up properly if the names don't match MailChimp. So if you're doing a field like phone number, here's how to do it. First, add a field in Webflow. We can the label, number, but we're going to come right back to this, back in MailChimp form builder, to edit that, or at least look at it. The field tag here is phone. Why is that important?
Okay, so let's go back to edit. I don't want to edit anything. Okay, finish later. Let's form builder. So yeah, first name is this, the field tag. No. Is it the ID? No, there it is. The name. That's all. That's required. Okay. And and email. This is just email, which makes perfect sense. But our name is email. That's also required. This is the subscribe form. Why is it email to? I shouldn't have another one. Okay. I guess this should be an email. There we go. This will have to be published, I guess, in order to actually work. Let's publish. Let's check it out. Okay, I'm just going to test. Submission has been received. Should probably change that message. We're going to go here. Sorry, I'm just going to push this over just so I can see. I might have to actually verify. Yep. Okay, I got to confirm my subscription. Yeah, so I'm going to have to update this one because this is my email list for the other website. But there you go. So please confirm my subscription. Confirm or subscribe. Thank you. You've been subscribed. And I'm on the list. So I could just show this right here. Is me just subscribed just at 12:30. Whatever, I guess that's Atlantic time or Eastern time. It's 1:39 here. Okay, good. So that works. So that's pretty straightforward. Although I need to create a thank you page because it actually sent me, when I subscribed, it sent me to my old website, aka, well, it's still standing right now, this website. And I think it was, what was it? Thank you? I think it was this. Thank you for subscribing to this newsletter. Okay. So we want to change it to our new newsletter, which will be off of here. And I could do that real quick. So we're going to make a page. Oh. Well, that's just based off the home page. Duplicate. We're going to call it thank you. I'll do all the meta stuff later. Let's just create this. So thank you. You have just subscribed to...
Because back in Webflow,
I don't want to hear him talking. I want to hear some music. Okay, you have just subscribed to... Thank you very much. Be able to unsubscribe. Oh, unsubscribe anytime with one click. Say something about never hesitating to get in touch with me. So look at, what should I say? So what did I say in this one? Right. Nothing that I want to copy. Let's say, okay. Please do feel free to respond. I send out. Always love to hear what you think. Get back to you. I wonder if I could put in like an archive. Maybe later. Okay. So this thank you page, I don't even know what the URL or what the domain is for this website is going to be. I'm just in MailChimp now, and I just want to put in or update the thank you redirect to the new website. And where do I do that? Is it sign up forms? It might be in here. Okay, what do we got? Response emails, maybe. Design it, translate. Okay, I'm gonna have to do some major changes to MailChimp. I'll get to that later, but right now, confirmation thank you page. There we go. All right, so it's probably going to be this. Oh yeah, saved. Okay. Okay, that's good for now. We're gonna have to update MailChimp later on. Okay. Okay. Okay, let me take a look at the posts here. Oh, I don't have a template for that. Okay. So here's a project template. Each project has a goal, has a start date. This metadata, another metadata. That's the end date if the end date is set. Okay. Video watch hours, practice time. And then this is collection of all the posts and the project that we're currently on. Right, should it be? Should it be day number or episode number? That's a good question. Day number. Let me look at my collection here for a second. So posts, we have day number. So that's going to have to be updated every time. So what I'm thinking right now is I'm thinking when someone is looking at, let's see if I can look at a project here. When they're looking at a project, is there going to be something every day that I'm going to be posting and then I could update on the day number, or is it going to be like more of an episode number? That's the question. Because I'm thinking, I know for this build $1 million business, I don't live stream every single day, right? It's only like, it's a per episode. So I'm thinking it might be, excuse me, I'm thinking it might be better to just say episode instead of day. And then if there is something where I am posting every day about something that I'm trying to do, then it would be day. Yeah, let's update that. So let's add field, a number field. Okay. Is to okay. Okay, we'll save that collection. And then what we can do is when we're in here, I'm gonna have to do 2 blocks here. Let's flex. There we go. So this is day, and what is this? That's day number. Okay. I want to copy this, and this is going to be episode, and then this number is going to be episode number. And so we're going to only show this one if the day number is set. And then this one, we're only going to show this one if the episode number is set. There we go. And then that's always just going to be there. Okay. I wonder. No, this works the best. Okay. Okay. So now the only content that I have right now is all the live streams and what? So it's 57. So there's 56 live streams. So how do I get them into here? Is there a way that I can pull them down? Or do I have to just get them manually? I don't know. What is the script again? I think this is... Oh, right. These are displaying the number of hours and minutes. Okay. I don't want that. Okay. What other things do I need to do? I think everything is pretty set. So if we just say, let's change this to episode number 2, just as an example. And then if we go back to here, yeah, that changes to episode. Cool. Just have to make sure to be consistent with that. I mean, we're gonna have to incorporate the membership at some point in time. Need to have a bank account for that to open up like a Stripe account. Let's go this meta and let's make this visible only if what? Ooh. Can we see projects? Right, yeah, so total video hours. That's going to be on there, okay. So save that. And then if I go here, condition, display total video hours is on. And in this one, display total practice time if it's on. Okay. thing I want to check here. Are so I wonder, so here's, I'm on my YouTube channel. Can I just like export? Oh, what if I click all these? More actions. Nope. Oh my goodness. Titles, descriptions. I wonder. So let's see. Export all YouTube video links. What about with bulk import? I want to export. I wonder. Let's try something. Where do I go? Let's stay here. Let's go create a new zap. YouTube. I don't know if I'm going to be able to pull them down. New video and playlist. Let's see what we get. So let's see if I can. Which account do we want? My goodness. That doesn't seem right at all. Neither one, none of these ones are my channels. Okay, sorry. Hang on a second. Okay. Oh, that's so weird. Maybe it's this one? Let's see. Playlist ID. Oh my goodness. Let's see. Okay. Playlist settings. think it's this one. Okay, sure, let's test it. Ooh, excellent. And it has a duration. That is wonderful. New video and playlist C. That's weird. Oh, maybe because I have 3 playlists. Okay, how should I build my personal brand? Yeah, that was episode, well, that was like 2 episodes ago. So continue. Let's connect to Airtable. Let's create a record. Oh, you know what I want to do first? I want to go to Airtable and I'm going to, what do I need to do? I need to create a base. Where am I? Is this table used for anything? Right, this is my workspace. Right, I need to create a base. I guess I can do this one. Let's just rename this. And then, okay, what do we want? So this is going to be the title. Yes. And what is it? Actually, what's this table? This is going to be live stream. Actually, it's not just, so build a business live stream, right? Okay. I want to see like what we get. We get the title. We get the description. Oh, we get the URL. Okay, excellent. I don't know why I'm putting this to Airtable. This should probably just go into Webflow right away, but that's okay. I like working with Airtable. So we're going to get a URL, and this is going to be YouTube video link. We are going to get, I think we want a number. The number is going to be video length, right? How does it, oh man, this is a little bit different. So it's 28 minutes and 5 seconds. Can it be time? Is there, oh no. Let's delete that field. But is there, yeah, so time. Ooh, duration. Beautiful. It is going to be hours, minutes, seconds, I do believe. That's what it looks like to me. Let's, if we go back here, yeah, 0.28.5. So just duration. Delete that. There's no status. There's no assignee. I think what we'll do here, that's going to be the description. Description. Save that. This video link. What else do we want to? What else can we pull from this? Oh, that's good for now. Okay, so let's go into our base. Let's go, I think it's this one. And what table do we want? Build a business live stream. Let's refresh the fields. The title is going to be here. The description is here. The video link. That's the embed URL. The thumbnail. That's the YouTube URL. And then the duration is here. And yeah, let's test. I mean, that should work. We go to Airtable. Perfect. Look at that. And it did, I got that one just fine. Excellent. That's good. I think I like it. I think we might want to, no, I think we're good with this. Okay. And then of course, when this comes in, we can use this to automatically create a new blog post, right? From Webflow. We can go in and just, create a new post. But this doesn't help us for the old ones. So that's the only problem. This helps us for the new ones, but not for the old ones. And also, the stuff that I post in the description is not really going to be what I'm going to want to put in Webflow, right? Because the description might be like a link to the website or what have you. But the description in Project 365 is going to be completely different. Right, but what I can do, what do I have? So this might be a little bit of an issue. Now that I'm thinking about it. When I go into here, I have total video minutes. Ugh. Right, so that's different. So can I convert this to hours? Or just minutes? Like, that's 28 minutes, that's fine. But then the hours. Oh, it's a pain. That's a pain in the ass. We might be able to automate it. Okay, so let's... Okay. So we're going to do another step. The next step is going into Webflow. And we're going to create an item. We're going to choose a new account, I guess. I think it's called Just a Doom. I gotta clean up my whole thing. I don't like how it just says Webflow 3, Webflow, whatever. That's really annoying. Connect. Oh, no. Okay, continue. And then we're going to go to post. Right, it's not going to know any of this stuff, but it's going to know the video. We can put the video ID, total minutes, and then we can put the title. Oh, whoops, that was the wrong thing. Thought it looked a little bit strange. Oh, that's created time. Oh no, that's right. Duration. Yeah, this is what I have wrong. It's not the ID of the record. It is the video link. Draft is true. And archived, of course, is false. And it's not going to let me continue at all because none of this stuff here is set. And I don't think it'll let me take any of this stuff because it's all this stuff is required. Unless, of course, I unrequire it. I mean, what is it? The project and the principal? What if I got... I guess if I get the item ID, I think I'm good, right? So if I go to principal, and it's... I think it's this one. I think if I copy this one... Paste. It's not allowing me to paste. What the hell? Copy. It's not copying. Copy. Why is this not copying? So frustrating. Where was I? I was looking at the principles, this one, and I need to copy this. Copy. Paste. There we go. And now the project. There's only one. Copy. Okay. So continue. Let's test it. An item was sent. So let's look at our posts. There we go. It's got the right project. It's got the right principal. It's got the video. This is completely wrong. Duration is off by a lot. So this thing is wrong. This duration. What happens with this one? Let's retest. Probably because there's already one that exists. So let's delete. Delete. So let's try it again. Still another error. Well, it's not telling me what the error is. Oh, I think I know what the error is. It's probably has to do with the fact that it's trying to put in an integer. Like in here, this duration. And this field here could only take an integer. Bollocks. Oh man, oh man. So can I? So let's see. Airtable. Turn duration into total minutes. Mm-hmm. Oh, I might. So let's see. Scott, is there a function where I could just take it and turn its number of minutes? Maybe it depends on if there's any hours. Like if oh my goodness. In the duration field. Yes. Oh. Oh, go back. Oh, oh my goodness. Reservation value less than 10. What's wrong? Gosh, hours, minutes. If it's displaying everything as seconds, if I can get everything as seconds, oh, maybe that's what that was. That was when okay, right. So if this goes into seconds, so we look at this here. So if this was, right, that was 1685. So let's just put this into minutes. Actually, we could probably just use a calculator. So 1685 divided by 60, that gives us 28 minutes, right? And a rounder, 0.8, which is probably about, okay, so that's good. So it's giving us the time in seconds. So can I just make a simple formula? Duration in minutes, right? Which, how do you do formulas in here? I don't know. I've never done it before. How do you do this? Oh, wait, do I have to do... like formula? There we go. Okay. Is equals to, okay. Is equals to duration. Divided by 60. Right? That's perfect. That is perfect. So let's delete this and let's what do we want to do? Edit this field. We're going to call it duration in minutes. Oh, this is awesome. Okay. Perfect. That'll save so much time. Well, not that much time, but let's go back in here and let's refresh our fields. And total video minutes, we're going to go it needs to refresh even more. Okay, I think I need to test. Oops, that's not what I wanted to do. I wanted to refresh this. Refresh these fields, right? Okay, then I'll just continue. Okay, that's sent. Okay, perfect. And then, oh, where am I? And then I should be able to go in here and total video minutes. I need to limit this to, well, like a full integer. How do I do that? Formatting. is this formatted? Integer 1. Let's see what happens. Let's see if it goes through. All right, continue. And let's retest. Oop, looks like it went through. Oh, I did 2 of them. Oh, great. It just took the number as an integer. That is fantastic. Fantastic. This one didn't have 1. Oh, you know what? Oh, now I'm a little worried. Okay, we're gonna have to see how this goes. If it goes smoothly. I'm hoping it does. Because one of them had the time, another one didn't have the time. Like, it didn't put this in there. I don't know why. There are a couple different records. Okay. So that's going to work for all the new ones. But what do we do about all of our old videos? I guess we have to do them manually, unless we can YouTube export all videos as a CSV.
Put them on my Google Doc. Lot of solution, but those solution are not. We have the title, here all the tags in many music categories. So put your YouTube videos in Excel or star plan.
I don't want to download something. Come on. Okay, well, if somebody's providing some kind of tool for it, there's got to be a way to do it. Is there a way to export a list? Google Takeout. vidIQ. I don't want to download my analytics. I wonder. Advanced mode? Okay, I'm just looking at my channel here, and it looks like they're export current view. So what if I do the last, 90 days, we'll get all of them. And let's say export. CSV, please. Extract. Table, what do I want, the chart or the table? Probably the chart. It's not gonna, well, let's see. Oh, it doesn't really give me, oh, it just gives me like the top ones. Gives me watch time. gives me subscribers, impressions, click-through rate. It doesn't give me... It doesn't give me the length of time of each video, which is kind of annoying. Let's see, content type. Yeah, live stream. Okay, views. Yeah, this is more showing just the data from the actual videos themselves. It's not showing any information on the content. That sucks. I mean, this is good, I guess, if you're trying to figure out, what people are doing on your channel. But that's not helpful. I think by the time I figure out how to do this, I might just... I might just want to do it manually. So, I have all my videos here. I guess I would have to go to each one. Hit edit and just copy this, where's the URL? Copy the URL. What is there? 60 videos, so it takes a minute to do each. So that's like, this is gonna take me like an hour to do, which will be very boring. Okay. Maybe that's just what we're gonna have to do them one at a time. Yeah. And one thing, let's go. Let's go to my first live stream. Let's go. So building $1 million business. It's not just going to give the slug. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, that's fine. This is episode number 1. I don't have that right now. Video, copy, paste, and the video was 1 hour and 48 minutes. So that's 60. So that was 108. Oh, actually, I had the right time. There was nothing there. Okay. So let's save that. And episode 2. And we have... You know what? I'm just going to delete this one instead of trying to start over, because then I'll do this. This is episode number 2. Pick a project. This project. This is financial personal freedom. I don't have that yet. There's the video. And this one was 2 hours and 55 minutes. So that is 120 plus 55, 175 minutes. And well, let's just create that one. And if we go into, well, we can, oh, there's a new share button. interesting. Cool. Upgrades. Publish. Okay. So I don't have anything inside the page. So maybe let's just build that out. The internal page. So we have the internal page here, and that's for the post, right? So let me just see how things are going here. Seeing what I can copy. Okay. So we need the wrapper. I need the container. The header. Okay. And then navigation. It's all in there. And then that's the title. Oh, and here is that's just the content. Okay. Save that. Save that. Now, so we don't really have any. Yeah, we don't have anything at all in terms of like a short description or content. So, oh, we get video, of course, gotta get it from here. Shouldn't I be able to get the title? Why is it not getting the video? Did I do something wrong? Oh, yes. That's the wrong, that's not the right link. Or I guess it is the right link. It's just not. It's not the embed link. Right. Okay. Oh my goodness. My office looks completely different. Okay, so I need to get a different link. Well, that's annoying. Why won't it use that link? That's weird. I mean, if I go here, if I want to share, embed, yeah, it's this thing, but I don't want to do that every single time. And what do I get from here? I do get it, the right URL there. Oh, man, oh man. Get shareable link. Oh, God. Okay, so the YouTube gives this live, but I probably could just switch it to this, right? I would imagine. Because it's the same, should be the same whatever ID like this thing is, right? Yeah. Ugh, what a pain. What a pain, what a pain. Okay. So save that. Save that. And now if I go back here, yeah, of course the video will be there. Oh man, I hate the YouTube embed video. They should get rid of all this stuff, like the share button, this watch on YouTube. What parameters can we pass? Parameters, controls. List, loop. Keyboard, no. Oh, that's kind of annoying. Looks like you can't even do anything to really change the YouTube player. That's annoying. Okay, let's... Forgetting about that for a second. Let's go to... Yeah, I guess posts. All right, short description. Might want to just copy and paste this. Yeah, I'll save that. So I think there's going to be a lot of cutting and pasting, which is going to be really, really annoying to do, but something that we're going to have to do. So yeah, so for now, I mean, I think for each one of these, I should write a paragraph about kind of the episode and what you know, I did and what I was kind of talking about, and then have the video, and then that's kind of it. Does this make sense to do? So the one thing I'm thinking about is, does it make sense to recopy and reduplicate all my efforts onto a website? I mean, that's a good point, and this is a good question. Does having this provide any other benefit? I mean, obviously, if I want to have a membership site, you want to funnel everything through here, but is that ultimately what I want to do? And I think it is. I think it is because there's always a little bit of a concern for what happens if YouTube goes away or any other thing that I build myself upon. You always want to make sure you have a home base for your, customers, for lack of a better word, right? For your audience. So there's always a way that I could reach them. So this is always going to be the home base. So yeah, I think I'm just going to have to suck it up and do the work and just transfer everything over. The old websites, or the old, not websites, but the old, the old streams. That's the word I'm looking for. Okay. I think what I want to do is I want to publish this thing. Oh, I should probably name it something. We should probably give it a call of add live stream to stream video as post. Okay. So that's running. So it'll be interesting to see if I shut off the stream and then it just publishes. Okay. So I think what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to transfer all this crap over, and then we'll have to get started with the membership. Transfer the members over to this new site, and then it'll be good to go. There's a few little things to clean up, so I need to maybe take some time to think about exactly what it is that needs to get done, and maybe do a little bit of a better job detailing that in Asana or something, just to keep track of everything. Yeah. Invoicing software. That's another thing that we're gonna have to figure out how to do. There's, God, yeah, it's a pain. Okay. I think I'm gonna leave it here because there's gonna be just a lot of cutting and pasting and getting that stuff over, and that's really boring. Don't want to bore you guys with that. And then probably tomorrow, hopefully we don't have too much left to do, and we can focus on transferring like all the membership stuff over, like integrating the Webflow membership, setting up banking, all that details. And yeah, and then we'll just go from there. So yeah, okay, we'll end it there. So thank you for watching. If there was anything, a recap is, I don't know, at least just figuring out how you can get, you can pull some of your episodes from YouTube onto into your Webflow if you want to automate that process. That's kind of cool. So I could see some benefits of doing that in the future. I just love this whole automation process. It's really, really cool without you having to spend too much time doing any coding work. It's a time saver. So it's really nice, especially for somebody like me that is not a developer, and I don't want to spend time developing these little apps to do all these little kind of things. So it's really handy. All right. So thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Thank you for joining. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, well, take care. Have a good one. And we'll see you here for another stream tomorrow. All right. Have a good one.